rather have a color of that.
Oh yeah.
Too pretty of a fish, man.
So Todd and I were just walking outside the massive boats, and we came across this one artist. These one paintings are really, really gorgeous. Really nice.
I think this.
Really nice artwork here. There's also no, not even close. This is also what's available to purchase at the Palm Beach Boat Show. Unique pieces, $5,500 for a lion, $2,000 for a bench seat. You got vendors up and down. All right, for those who would like inflatables, Discovery 400. Package is $3,030. Just give you an idea about prices, availability, how big they are. It's got a little seat bag to it for $2,000. Got a little Daihatsu. Little fanciness here. Pretty nice little boat. This one right here is $15,000. Speeds up to 25 miles per hour with this little fuel injected 20. Little dinghy with a seat, everything. $15,000 for this thing. East Marine Boats. This is $19,000. Has a Suzuki 20 on it, not a Daihatsu. All I can say is don't hit an oyster bed, right? Don't hit an oyster bed. American Custom Catamaran. Yes, sir. All right. Tucked in the corner here is this Sportsman Masters 267E. It's got a single 425 V10 on it. It's got a tower. It's got the looks like it's got the Seakeeper trim tabs. It's on a big bracket. Oh, this has got me a great penny. Sorry about the wind, it's amazing. Step up, step up. Use the upper station. Lower. Okay. This looks like a very nice boat. Looks like you have a rod holder up there too at the top. It's down because of the wind currently. Pretty nice. This is the Masters 2407. Well, this one has a single 300 on it. Unfortunately, it's so doggone windy. They've got no choice but to bring these down. The 267 here was 183, 315. There's really not much they can do. It is so windy here today. So windy. Here's a Sportsman 252 open. I don't have time to go all there. We're just kind of walking around. Garbage. Again, comes with the Seakeeper. All right. Again, this is the open 232. If I can find the price, I will. I'll post it on here. But this seems like a pretty well put together boat. Also has a Seakeeper trim tab on it too. I guess they're all doing it. It also has an actuator for, I don't know if that's electronic or not. I don't think it is, for letting the air in at the top of the plexiglass there. Got a solid T-top. That T-top is wide. That we're here at the very, very end of the boat show. Not a whole lot of people left. I like the shark gray.
Yeah.
That's interesting.
Black.
This is how much room that you have here in the back. Little bench seat, or you can get a quick bench seat down, I think. The live well. I don't know if you can do twins or you can do singles, but this is a single 300 V8. But I happen to like the gray. The gray color looks good. All right. All right, well, that'll be the dinghy. So this rocket will be the one that we're actually purchasing in the far distance. That's actually our boat. Yeah. Sea bobs. Custom hats. Whoa. You see Lux Optica Big Eye binoculars. Custom hats. Here are your custom hats. All right, here's a Blue Water. This is the 25. Beautiful boat. Absolutely beautiful boat. Talk about a fishing machine. Can't beat it. Built like tanks. It's right at $235,000 for this boat. In 200s. Solid boat.
It was big. It's good because it's right even aside the beach. It's better than cases.
All custom rods, 15% off. How about that?
So gold. That's
10%. Less people in between the aisles. Ultrasonic anti-valley protection. Good to know. Safety.
Yes, there's rushing into it.
The glass boutique. Anchors. Yeah.
Belly Mike.
Big odor, small solution. There you go. Purify it.
Yeah.
Gotta walk down here because there's fishing rods, just cause. And rainmakers. And Conley Fishing. Thank you. Conley Fishing.
Real and real are going to be all the same. Surprisingly, they're all same retail.
So, me and Heidi and I, we almost, this is exactly what we bought.
Mm-hmm.
There's,
The same holder? Okay.
exactly the same and everything. From Conley, yeah, actually, we were buying from. Those are the ones that we saw for Conley. Those things were $300 a piece. Oh yeah. Casa Vieja.
That's
$15,000 worth. Yeah.
all right here?
No.
No?
No, sir.
No.
P&G, Simrad screens. This is what you need on your boat. That's what you need on your boat.
Take up the whole center console there.
Oh yeah. Yeah. That's right. Just tell me. Yeah. Just tell me where to go. Exactly. Just walk in the indoor. Very nice. This just happened to be we're just walking up and down the aisles to see what's what. Obviously, this boat show is smaller than the Miami Boat Show. Ray Marine, Ferruno, Starlink. Look, you can find your bus. You can find a bus. And while you're on it, you can actually get the camera system while you're at it. Electronic antenna mount. I know. And how long will that electronic camera mount last? Gonna have cameras on your boat. Better be water sealed. Enormous engines. Carmen's. All right, that's about it.